SDS PAGE Principle and the Use of Discontinuous Buffer System. SDS stands for sodium dodecyl sulfate, and PAGE stands for polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. SDS PAGE is a technique used for separating proteins with difference in molecular weights. SDS PAGE can provide information about molecular weight, purity of particular protein preparation. The advantage of this technique is that it is simple and reproducible. SDS PAGE Principle. SDS PAGE works by sieving effect of the polyacrylamide gel. Polyacrylamide gel can be prepared with wide range of pore size by varying arsalamide-bisacrylamide ratio. SDS an anionic detergent, which binds to the protein and imparts net negative charge to the proteins. 1.4 grams of SDS binds per gram of protein. Mercaptoethanol assists the protein denaturation by reducing all disulfide bonds. Ammonium persulfate acts as initiator for polymerization, and TIMD helps in polymerization. When electric current is applied, proteins move through the gel pores. Based on the molecular weight it gets separated. Why discontinuous gel system is used? The two-phase, discontinuous gel system used in SDS PAGE works because there are three major different charged species in an SDS gel. Chloride ion, which has the highest mobility, then the SDS-protein complexes, and finally, the glycinate, which at pH 6.8, is the slowest. When the power gets switched on, the chloride ions leads the way, followed by the protein, and the glycinate essentially wedges the protein between itself and the chloride ions. What this does is tightly stack the proteins into a nice, tight, thin starting zone. That's why the pH 6.8 gel is called as stacking gel. When the complexes hit the higher pH running gel, the glycinate becomes more fully ionized and its mobility increases. It now overtakes the protein SDS complexes, follows the chloride ion, and the two species leave the proteins behind. The proteins keep moving towards the anode, all with the same electrical mobility, since due to the SDS, they all have identical charge per unit mass. However, without a following charged species to keep them stacked together, they are now free to start separating based on their relative sizes.